everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make pepperoni roll cups. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 3 of the 5-ounce tubs of the refrigerated biscuits. I've just used these little buttermilk biscuits here. You can use any kind you want, or if you want to get the 7-ounce, you can just use 2 of those. Then you need 4 tablespoons of butter, and we are going to melt that. We need a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then you're going to need a half a cup of pepperoni, and we're going to cut that into small little pieces. I usually cut mine into about 1 pepperoni into 4 little pieces. And then you need 1 cup of pizza cheese, and then if you want some pizza sauce for dipping. So these are really easy to make. And then of course you're going to need a cupcake or muffin tin, and you want to spray that with cooking spray. So let's go ahead and preheat our oven. You want that to be on 425, and spray your muffin tin if you haven't done that yet. Alright, next you just want to take your biscuits and open them up, and we're going to cut these into 4 even pieces, each one into 4 pieces. Alright, that's what they should look like, so we'll go ahead and toss those into a bowl and get started on the rest of them. Okay, all of my biscuits are cut up, and you just want to make sure that none of the pieces are sticking together because you want those to be nice and separated. And then I went ahead and cut up my pepperoni the same way. You want half a cup, and I cut those into 4s. And next we are going to take our butter, and I'm going to melt that in the microwave. Alright, next you can pour your melted butter over there. I already sprinkled my half a teaspoon of garlic, and then you can just add in your cheese and pepperoni, and we're going to toss that all together. Alright, that is nice and tossed together. I just used a spatula. Next you are going to just put it into your muffin tins. Okay, these are divided into my 12 muffin tins, and we are going to bake those at 425 for 10 to 12 minutes. These just came out of the oven, and they smell so delicious. But we got to let them cool off, and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Pick one out for our Taste Tester, and we'll see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.